Welcome to our channel. Today we how to verify Zoho CRM workflow rules for lead to deal, complete guide step by step clearly. To verify Zoho CRM workflow rules for lead to deal, begin by logging into your Zoho CRM account. Navigate to the settings icon in the top right corner of the dashboard. From the settings menu, select automation. In the automation section, click on workflow rules. Click on the rule name to open its details. Review the triggering criteria for the workflow. Ensure the criteria accurately reflect the conditions under which leads should convert to deals. Next, examine the actions associated with the workflow rule. Verify that the actions are set to create a deal from a lead when the rule is triggered. Check the assigned fields and their mappings to ensure all necessary information is transferred correctly. Look for any time-based actions that might delay the process and ensure they are set as needed. If there are any notifications within the workflow, confirm that they are correctly configured. Save any changes if necessary to maintain the accuracy of the workflow rule. To test the workflow, create a new lead that meets the criteria for conversion. Once the lead is created, monitor its status to see if it automatically transforms into a deal. If the conversion does not occur, revisit the workflow rules for any possible errors or omissions. Adjust the criteria or actions as needed based on your findings. After making adjustments, test again until the rule operates as intended. Document the workflow settings and any changes for future reference. Regularly review your workflow rules to ensure they remain relevant and effective as your business processes evolve. By following these steps, you can verify and optimize your Zoho CRM workflow rules for lead-to-deal conversion. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.